go meet am. Go don go, dear mama. Dear mama. Oh, no. My name is Tupac Shakur.
Strong woman. When you they mention strong people, you mention
Get one of my small cousins that time we can live with us for Kaduna. I say his name na. Chakul. Tupac Chakul.
Chakul.
Tupac Chakul.
Tupac Chakul.
Tupac Chakul. Anyone, good evening and welcome on Top of the Night Show. My name is Nedu and Oscar me Katim and Easy Beach to sit down to make sure say your evening goes sweet where how today. Fuel Q not day again now.
Not be God.
Nah, God.
We thank the Lord. They say Fuel Q not today again. Today we get guests for Inside Studio. The guests I don't know.
Who be the guests? Who be the I don't know.
If you see the person follow the guests, come.
Wait,
you see
sure say the person when follow the guests or na the guests with that?
No, not be the guests.
Nah, the accompaniment.
The accompaniment. If you see a head,
The guests.
you know the head be like roll on. Wait, put that. You know person head just do more.
No, maybe Tupac been get head.
Tupac. If not Tupac, you know say guys are guy head when they say the head it could make sense.
Okay.
But this guy head, oh God Almighty.
It's a 1 in a million.
It's a 1 in a million. Yeah, mirror. You know that's what they say. You go, if you there for motor, you're gonna see like say for road, like say water there for road. Yeah, this guy head. If you see her from far, you're gonna see. It's a shine light. You can say, what is that beacon of light?
He said there's no need.
There's no
light, no there's no
that guy head. If not light, never light, not the just enter house like this.
So I say you have now. Say how you take no say I miss it out here to my brother. Why
Anyway,
you asking the need for Tupac, mama don't die.
Tupac,
Please.
mama don't die.
They go don't go hug group party for heaven.
Oh, Tupac Chakol.
Yes.
Oh,
Tupac Chakol and Afeni Chakol.
Triplets in the earth. Kwasa.
Pra.
She tried.
For Tupac, mama will die. Oh.
Yes. Maybe go greet Tupac for us, 3 of us like this.
Tupac, mama, I beg. Help us greet Tupac. Oh, you know that Tupac song? Man. Easy bit, remember me. That's when they use quarter. When they use the quarter. Man, when they hit them up. No, be.
Call the calls when you see Tupac. Call the calls when you see Tupac.
Call the calls when you see Tupac. Something, Tupac. For school that time. Anybody will try me anyhow. Call the calls when you see Nedu. Oh God. Now the Sydney.
Wait, so what did you go sing for heaven now? Call who now?
Call dear mama. Something.
So if your mama they appear for heaven now, the gate. They're gonna sing from
They'll
back.
come they hug themselves now.
Yeah, mama.
Then you know say any mama they smoke Igbo together.
So
mama now go carry Igbo because you don't miss Igbo. Where you dey now Igbo
no carry them from here.
Mama go don't carry like 5 wraps of Igbo. Give her, hey yo, mama, what's up? You want to try me Igbo? Mama go.
Yeah, mama.
Yeah, mama. If not heaven, then they angels now go there do video vixen.
Yeah.
Anyway, before we start show today, you know say Oyibo people talk say Igbo people.
No, wait. This thing is for what now?
Leave am. I want you to do something.
Let me look at it very well.
This is Peru.
Peru. Okay, so what color, Indomie? What color?
This color 52.
So if you want your Peru color 52, there are several other colors. There's color 72, there's color minus 103.
Who color help? Leave am. Anyway.
Is this your dog? Your puppy?
Now you know what it is. Anyway, we get guests for today's show. But before we go into the guests, he get one man for inside Obodo Yibo. He say the person will employ him, work where he dey work, say he dey too boring.
Now this kind of person will go put pencil here, go sit down, go do
the work dey too boring. So therefore, person will employ him, he dey swam, he carry and go court. Yes. Say the person go pay him $590,000.
We dey wait make lawyer. When lawyer sit down here on Monday.
See him. He dey sue the man $590,000.
This is the sewer.
This is the sewer. No, this is sui. I want to calculate the money.
Frederick, your job is boring. You don't come out the work. Is it your father work?
That's why I keep you there. I want to calculate the money.
Work? I don't know.
Wait, my calculator. $590,000. How much is dollar now?
This man for Igbo man. They waiting for being Igbo name now. This man they forgetting it.
But they allow boss about Diego.
Okay, so in first name for be waiting.
In first name, but the Kachuku.
Kachuku. Make it $9 also shy.
$590,000 times. Let's say dollar na 300. We just say 310 naira. So if they sue the person where employ 182 million naira because of say a work day body. How much be your salary?
No. Now your personal
then
work.
Then you put for the work.
Now your personal work. Now your work.
Then you know if come out.
Is it your daddy work? Is it your
I beg,
daddy work?
I know get time. And then before I leave that matter, they annoy me. Meanwhile, Lady Gaga, what did happen to Lady Gaga?
Lady Gags, baby.
Una see the dressing when Lady Gaga dress this.
Una they talk just that make it when she come out of a pumpkin. That time when she enter pumpkin onto dressing.
I don't know whether we'll get the picture.
That is.
I feel like made see what in person wear.
It's small now.
No lay panto.
No, we didn't really kind shoe. The designer when do the relation, I do her shoe now. So you draw.
See what in person wear come on.
Is it you are dressing? Is it you are cloth? This one nine they call. Is it
but
you are dressing?
You know why I like her. Now she they do the thing when they say happen because when
if you see her,
when they carry us come this world, we are naked.
Yes.
So and normally.
And what else?
Well, just imagine
we are pencil
now.
in the hand
just
of the creator.
Imagine now.
Say
I may say if not chop that apple. Adam self no can chop the apple. Me and you as we here now for just naked.
They do how now?
I know. The Elizabeth one dance. You say, what's up?
Yeah.
Then our guest now, you come. Everybody how now?
No, if I come with leaf, maybe just for design.
No, because of say that apple the chop and I can't open. I make them use leaf cover.
Say, wow, what is this on my body?
I am naked.
Ow.
But thank God say Eve still help give Adam because now you leave for wear cloth. Now we for naked.
But you know for concern us now because all that naked.
No, but we for don't learn.
For they say like normal self.
For they say like normal, say men not supposed to wear clothes.
Normal,
say that way.
So that way,
guys gonna quick choose their men. They don't go there now. I don't want to stay with him.
No, wait.
No, that's my boyfriend.
No, you go red carpet now.
It's my boy. No, it's not my boyfriend. Bangali.
How you go red carpet naked? How you go post for red carpet?
Now they make sense. Now no, like when they call now, no go get boyfriend. Because now when they call,
boyfriend.
Get girlfriend. When they call, no get. But don't Jesse.
I don't know.
But the banjo.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Daddy, Dr. Seed. Dr. Seed. Dr. Seed. Teddy G. Two-Face.
How you take
Two-Face. Two-Face. Now like
no, but you know, say. Maybe if na nakedness, all of us did that time. Who for send Two-Face? Nobody send you message.
No, but if forget maybe
because that time
not be here for the attractors. Now person ear. Oh my God! You don't see her ear? Her ear is so sexy. It big. Be like 90 cm dish. Maybe na ear go come the triples.
Yeah.
Then that time you come they cover the ear. Use cloth they cover am. You see that girl ear. She don't her ear. She the cleavage of the ear. when the ear come out small, your body go begin shake. Oh my God. When you come put the ear finish hot.
But honestly, forfeit be anything. If forfeit be
anything, yeah. Forfeit be anything.
Anything. If forfeit the person teeth, if forfeit be your nostrils, if forfeit be anything, then.
But imagine now saying that captain. Anyway, back to chicken break. Our guest for today, her name na Mofe.
They come for road for you.
Her name na Mofe Boyo. If you see her, man, play a recharge card.
So
Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.